some pieces like this weigh about 30 pounds. It's early January. We've got about 7 days of freezing weather coming up, so it's that time. It was a really good year for growing. 7 out of the 8 plants ended up having bunches. One of them was right there when we got to mid-November. They all kind of just slowed down, stopped growing, so it was getting close to that time. And if you haven't watched the video on how I grew these, it's on my channel. It pretty much goes over fertilizing, watering, and trimming. And this is the one that didn't make it this year. All right, I'm doing a quick measurement. Right around 19 foot. Chopped them down finally. All right, we're gonna be using a 12-inch pruning blade. Time to take these tops off. Man, that's heavy. Hey, baby. It's too heavy?
I guess it's that time of the year again, huh?
It's that time.
Hey, Carlos, where the bananas at, man? Hello, all.
Like the cartoon.
Hello.
Bingo.
Who's that? What do you got there? All the daddy's banana trees, huh?
That time of year, huh?
All right, we're just gonna spread all this out. I'm just gonna bag up all these little pieces. Just leave the logs out here. And some pieces like this weigh about 30 pounds. But once they sit out here and dehydrate, they'll probably be about 10 pounds. All right, I'm just gonna leave these out here for a couple months, and they should be easier to handle once they dry up. Now we're gonna go tackle the leaves. And you can see on these bunches I had cut the flowers off because they had a pretty good chance of maturing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. These ones really didn't have that much of a chance, so I just left the flowers on there just for decoration. And this one's about right in the middle. I'm going to take one of these off, measure it, see what's inside it, cut it open. Cut one of these flowers open too, just to see what's inside. The main part's about 6 inches, with a little bit of stem, 7. And as far as I know, these are called cooking bananas. I had a neighbor stop by from Guam, one from Jamaica, one from Mexico. They're all telling me these are just made for cooking, not for eating. Probably gonna give all these to my dad. He's from Puerto Rico and they know how to cook with these. Alright, on the flowers. These feel like a really nice leather. They're definitely waterproof. I heard you can use these to make bowls or cups. Spider. Looks like this could have been a whole bunch of future bananas if we lived in a tropical climate. Trying to do my best to separate the leaves from the upper trunk. I got a little crater right here. I had a neighbor come by, said someone stole their banana plants, and he asked if he could dig up one of these, and he dug it up. It had roots, so it looked like it was going to make it. Then he took one from here, one from down there. But on these ones, we're probably going to keep them. Sometimes I'd cut these down, but I got a feeling the winter's not going to be that harsh. So I'm thinking about just laying the leaves on here, crisscross. These are kind of so the leaves don't blow away, so I left about, I don't know, 10 inches on these height-wise. And then go ahead and try to insulate all this with leaves.
Bye. Say bye, Mama.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Miss. Bye, Sophie.
Chico! Look! Chico right there!
Bye, y'all.
Go get some water, baby.
Look!
Wow.
Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah.
Yeah?
We got to put it on top of here.
Oh, it's the best fish! It's the best ever! Ooh! Hi! I'm gonna be banana. Yeah? Yeah, yeah.
Look, we got to put it on this one. And these are all the different bends that the bunches were hanging off of. Let me see this one. And that's the one that almost made it. I'm probably going to use these as weights and just put on top of the leaf piles.
Rainbow.
I don't live in an HOA, but I hope code enforcement don't say anything.
Rainbow.
Alright, and it's early January. This might have to stay like this until end of February, maybe March. Just gotta see how the weather ends up. Alright guys, thanks for watching this one. Here in about a month or two, we're gonna uncover all this and hopefully grow them plants back up 20 foot, maybe taller, maybe some bigger bananas. See y'all next time.